Hello, in this tutorial we'll be covering on how to use existing tools available in the web portal. So as a demo, I'll be using the US52, US41 highway datasets that was collected in 2023 July 11th. So I'll go ahead and click on the Visualize button. And for the sake of the demo, I'll go ahead and select a particular segment. So first I'll filter by platform. I'll select the driving direction as northbound. I will select a mile segment that is located between 34 to 39. And I'll go ahead and select all the products. So here, these are the geotagged imagery products collected from 3 different cameras, front left, front right, and the rear. And if we look at the products, we have the original point cloud data, the above ground, bare earth, and the extracted lane marking point cloud. Go ahead and click on the Submit Selections button to import to the viewer. So as you can see, you have your products loaded onto the viewer, and I will show you some examples of using the built-in tool. So first, I will uncheck the checkbox for the imagery, and you'll notice that only the LiDAR data has been displayed on the viewer. The user can increase the point density by just manipulating this slider here. So in order to see the difference, I'll a little bit zoom in to a particular section. So if I set the number of points to 0, there's no more points, and the point gets sparser. However, if I manipulate the slider by increasing it, you can notice that the level of detail of the point cloud is getting better and better. So let me first display only the original point cloud. And, using this tool, if you use left click, you can translate the point cloud. If you click on the right click, and while holding it, you can control the orientation to view in different perspective view of the point cloud. So this is quite useful to manipulate the view when you're visualizing the LiDAR point cloud. Another thing is currently the point cloud is colored by elevation. So you can choose whatever color scheme you want. And also the point cloud can be colored by intensity. So here, as you can see, it's colored by intensity. And if you want to manipulate the range, what you can do is select the data located in the side menu. And once you click on it, scroll down, you'll see a slider for the intensity range. I'll go ahead and manipulate the max range. And as I go down, you can notice that the intensity values are changing and the lane marking points are being more distinct. Likewise for elevation, you can always set the color fields to elevation, and you can adjust the elevation range by manipulating the slider here. Another part of the built-in tools that is available in this web portal is, for example, a measuring tool. So if you're interested in knowing what's the coordinate of this feature here, simply just click on this icon, and once you determine your point of interest, simply click left click again, and your measurement point has been placed on the LiDAR point cloud, and it will show you the X, Y, Z coordinate. Another feature that you can use is measuring the distance. So here you will see this icon here. Go ahead. Let's say you want to measure this guardrail to this bin here. So first you determine the first point by clicking left click. You can hover around onto other point where you want to measure the distance. So once you determine your second point, go ahead and click left click again. And you get your distance measurement here. If you do not want to perform further, go ahead and click on the right click, and you just only get this distance measurement here. Another useful existing tool you can use is the profile extraction. So if you're interested in seeing the profile, especially like the ditch line, first you can select this icon here. So once you click on it, similar to what we performed with the distance measurement, you need to first determine the first point. So click on the left click to determine the first point. And let's say we're taking a cross section of this ditch line here. So once you have full confidence of getting the profile where you're interested on, go ahead and click left click to determine your second point. And click on the right click once you're done determining the second point. Next, once you're done, you'll notice that profile is appeared on the side menu. Go ahead and click on it. And you can control the width of the profile. So I'll go ahead and set it like 2 meter. So your profile width will be 2 meter. And click on the Show 2D profile. So a profile will be displayed here. And as you use the left click, if you zoom in, you can observe the profile. And another thing that is useful here is, for example, if you put your cursor on the extracted profile, you can see the orb icon hovering along the profile where you're trying to extract. Okay, so in this tutorial, we have covered in how to use the existing tool available in the web portal. Thank you for listening.